Chill. Grind. Go getters. Hard hitters. What's up, love? Gotta have it at all times. What's up, Chico?
Grind. Bitch, we heavyweights, interstate skaters, we gorillas for our paper. Creep behind tent with a stash full of packs. Heart on money with our mind on stacks. 45 to 59. Bitch, we heavyweights, interstate skaters, we gorillas for our paper. Creep behind tent with a stash full of packs. Heart on money with our mind on stacks.
I got 45 books wrapped in binders, a whole library in my trunk. I'm a grinder, I'm on 59, but I fuck with 49ers. Ask the bitch from Cali with the strap by her vagina. The whole headliner is laced up with coke. See Nolly on the boss, shoulda been starring in blow. I keep a pint of pole, representing 44. Raise up the trunk, glow, cars like a light show.
I'ma hit 45 off of Yale in North Main. Brain pain, make it rain. Mr. Cocaine, nigga gripping grain is a motherfucking hobby. True with my connect, got respect from George Cosby. Boys wanna rob me, I never been a hoe. Cocaine cowboy, big love Blanco. You can get it for the low if you get by 8 or more. Cold summer for a hoe, big got to make it snow.
My hustle is official, game over, blow the whistle. Bleach a block to the meat, the bone marrow, need that gristle. Cook niggas with the pistol, keep your feet on that line. Step out of bounce, penalty, pay that fine. Go get her for the skrilla, gotta have it at all times. Or the ounce grinder 9, street pharmacist, don't call it all times. From 50 pack on railroad tracks to 50 pack railroaded tracks. Cocaine, crack sacks, wet pills, I'm all
Interstate skater, rush hour, I'm in traffic. My hustle face is on when I'm dropping off a package. I'm on a 45, knocking Little York the exit. You in the acres home and you are no longer protected. I'm on the intersection putting a bunch of bar to shame. With TVs in the game and candy coat over the frame. I'm cranking up the bang, you ain't fucking with no rookie. A team of 6x9s and compressors if you push me. You think I'm playing games, I'm gorilla in my city. A OG hood boss and drug dealers fucking with me. The dumb best throw up in this bitch to get his paper and stack it high as fuck till it resembles skyscraper.
Somebody sell me a key so I can sew up a corner and bow till I fall and blow marijuana. Take it back to the crib and get head in the sauna. I'm a paid ass nigga, yeah, I do what I wanna. Lax, stracks, and powder packs. Call me Nino Brown cause I can turn it into crack. You wanna fuck me good, you must gon' give me a pallet. I'ma make it disappear like a nigga do magic. Got my whip in the stove, cause I can take a O, put it in the microwave, and make foam mold, and get back to the block before it even dries. Don't be put it on his pipe, bring tears to his eyes.
59, bitch, we heavyweights, interstate skaters, we gorillas for our paper. Creep behind tent with a stash full of packs. Heart on money with our mind on stacks. 45 to 59, bitch, we heavyweights, interstate skaters, we gorillas for our paper. Creep behind tent with a stash full of packs. Heart on money with our mind on stacks.
The real Scarface is in the motherfucking building, nigga. Recognize a legend when you see one. I'm fucking with my nigga Big Love and the PCP all day, nigga. From Houston to East Oakland. We living it like we speaking it, nigga. From Bentleys, Jets, and Vets. We real niggas grinding from the hood to Hollywood. Cop my movie Cocaine Cowboys, doing take lessons from